2026, the most valuable resource on the planet is no longer oil, data, or even gold. It is your attention. And right now, billionaire corporations are spending millions to steal it from you, second by second. Welcome back to Lisonary. Every time you mindlessly scroll, you aren't just killing time. You are donating your most precious asset to a system designed to keep you distracted, reactive, and poor. In this digital economy, if you aren't paying for the product, you are the product. But here is the unconventional truth: the gap between the rich and the struggling is no longer just about money. It's about focus management. The 1% are using AI to filter the world, to automate the noise, and to protect their deep work. Meanwhile, the rest are drowning in a sea of notifications, headlines, and artificial outrage. At Lisonary, we don't just manage portfolios, we manage environments. We use technology as a shield, not a drug. We automate our information feeds so that only the high-signal, high-value data reaches our digital architecture. You cannot build a legacy if your brain is hijacked every 5 minutes by a notification. Wealth is built in the quiet spaces. It is built in the hours of deep focus that the modern world tries so hard to destroy. It's time to stop being a consumer of distractions and start being a producer of systems. Reclaim your focus. Reclaim your time. Reclaim your